here in a second at the light. It's a little tricky. You have to turn right, and then there's a road that goes right here immediately. Like this is a V right here. So you got to turn right and then immediately kind of get over into the next lane to go straight. So it's a little tricky. Let's see how the full self-driving handles it. Got a little bit of traffic here though first. Cars do this a lot at this red light. There's a lot of traffic going straight, so a lot of people like cut onto the shoulder there ahead of time to beat some of these cars, but the full self-driving doesn't do that. So we're making a right turn here, and like I said, immediately we got to shift over not to go down that road there, and the full self-driving did that pretty flawlessly. We're on hurry mode, so going 10 miles over the speed limit here. Let's see what standard gets us. One down. We're going 5 miles over the speed limit now. Let's go down to chill mode. Two miles over the speed limit. Let's go to sloth mode. Now we're going exactly the speed limit, or just a little bit under. But we're also about to hit a stop sign here, so you know, you don't have the best example right now compared to a freeway, a highway. Let's see what sloth mode gets us up to. So it looks like sloth mode gets us pretty much directly at the speed limit if we're on an open road. Chill. Chill's the same right now, or just maybe one or two over. Standard. Didn't make a change. Hurry. Picks it up a little bit. Let's go Mad Max. Mad Max is going to get us about over 5 miles over the speed limit. We're at 6 now, 7. A lot of it also, or obviously, depends on traffic ahead. I'm sure if there was no cars there, it'd be going faster. Yeah, we'd be going 10 miles over the speed limit if this car wasn't here in front of us. So it kind of shows you a little bit of the difference between all those there. Obviously, it's going to vary based on what kind of road you're on. You know, freeway, a road like this, in a neighborhood, traffic in front of you, etc. But it seems like Mad Max kind of cuts it off where you want it to cut off, you know, like while we're going 50 miles per hour on this road, we're not going to want to be too much closer to this car than where we are now. You know, about probably less than 5 car spaces. So Mad Max is going to get you where you want to go pretty quickly, but it's not going to be unsafe, you know? It's not going to be stupid. Alright, let's see how it acts now that we got some space between us. So 10 miles over the limit. I know on a freeway it's going to be faster than that, which makes sense because, well, it's going to be more than 10 miles per hour over the speed limit. There's more space. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Going to be posting more content soon on some little changes. Full self-driving's made, such as what it does when it gets to a charger, navigating through parking lots, all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned.